name is Kiranpreet Kaur.
Okay, so how may I address you?
You may address me just Kiran.
Okay, Kiran. So, may I see your identification, please?
Here, please.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Kiran. What do you do for fun?
To tell you the truth, I prefer to be socialized with my friends and known ones. Apart from this, sometimes I also do some activities such as playing badminton, football with my family members. Moreover, last week I also enjoyed a special dinner with my friends.
Okay. Who do you like to spend your quality time?
Mostly I prefer to spend a lot of time with my grandfather, as my grandfather has enormous knowledge regarding the immemorial things of my country, and I have keen interest to gain that knowledge regarding my country.
Okay. How often do you travel away from your hometown?
On some occasion I prefer to move out from my hometown. A few months ago I went to Manali with my family members to enjoy the serene and pleasant weather.
Okay. Where do you like to go on vacation?
I prefer to go at hill station on vacations, such as I prefer to play with the snowfall, as India is an extreme hot country, so I prefer to go over there to enjoy the cold weather.
Okay, Kiran. According to you, when is the best time to travel?
According to me, in the month of June, it is the best time for traveling, as everyone free from any kind of work, so it is the best time for traveling as well as relaxation.
Okay. What are your future traveling plans?
Singapore is my dream country, and I have keen interested to know about more regarding this country. Whenever I search out about this nation on internet, I am totally fascinated by this country.
Okay, Kiran. So that is the end of your part 1. So for part 2, here is your cue card along with pencil and a paper. You have 1 minute to prepare your cue card. After that, you will be given 2 minutes to speak on a given topic. Your time starts now. So Kiran, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Please begin speaking.
Well, traveling plays an indispensable role in everyone's life, as one cannot get out from their hectic schedule but also explore that particular area and enhance their knowledge. Today, here I would like to talk about such journey which I covered by car. Last year, I went to Shimla with my uncle and cousin. It was a 10 hours journey from my hometown, and I was thrilled to bit on that time. The journey was started at 4 o'clock in the morning. My uncle stopped the car, traveled on restaurants, took some tea and had lunch over there. During the journey, I was very excited to see the incredible beauty of Shimla. When my uncle, cousin and I reached to our preferred destination, I feel cool as cucumber, and I was overwhelmed over there to see the executive view of Shimla. Moreover, I was mesmerized when I saw the snowfall, as I love to play with the snowfall, and I also played over there with my cousin. The reason behind this journey, this was the reason behind this journey. My uncle planned this journey, and I was appreciated towards my uncle that my uncle planned for this journey to fulfill my desire. Moreover, I also did some activities such as river rafting and hiking over there with my uncle and cousin, with full of protective equipment as well as protection. Apart from this, I also did meditation over there and visited some parks, which feel me relax and rejuvenate my mind. Furthermore, I also totally fascinated by their culture, and I investigated their traditions as well as dress up. In the end, I felt delighted to see that excitement view of that city.
Okay. So that is the end of your part 2 cue card. Please pass back the cue card topic, paper and pencil, please. Thank you very much. Now for part 3, I will ask you some more questions that is related to your part 2 cue card. Okay. So, what will cars be like in future?
Well, as far as I'm concerned, we can see that there will be cars which are running from the alternative sources of energy. Moreover, we can also see the cars we can also see the flying cars in the coming years. And on the top of it, flying cars will be beneficial for everyone, such as it protects us from any kind of difficult situation, and there will be a less chances of accident. Moreover, even it can also be helpful in our financial conditions, such as save our time and money.
Why do people like to have private cars?
There are several reasons that people like to have private car, either for comfort or for to show their high status. But in my opinion, people willing to have their own private car to clear the distance and easily within few hours, such as long distances they will cover within few hours and minutes. Moreover, it can also be beneficial in the emergency situations. For example, if one can suffering from disease or difficult situation, the other person can assist that person with their own private vehicle.
Okay. Is it a good thing that everyone has their own private cars?
Needless to say, cars plays an imperative role in everyone's life, or even in different kind of situation as well as difficulties. But there is also has inevitable drawbacks, such as there will be increment in the number of cars on road. Simultaneously, there will be also increase in the level of pollution, which may also lead to serious disease as well as chronic disease, such as asthma, one of them.
Okay, Kiran. So that is the end of you speaking. Thank you.
Thank you.
To watch more videos related to IELTS, subscribe my channel, West Wings IELTS channel. This is Ajibal Singh, and please don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.